So the market is going to come down here, maybe retest here again, or maybe you can just have a clean breakout. You might come here, break the structure, and come down to retest here, the previous low. I think Friday might really look messy for gold, for volatility that is to be the next area of imbalance in the market field. So we've seen it the way it happened from the roof. We have support structure, support structure, another support structure, breakout. There's a retest in the zone. That is why we've got price action reacting. So this is also a retest. And now we've got a value trend angle where price affected retest, retest, obvious retest, obvious retest, obvious retest, and I get price firmly and price returns here to continue selling. Now here we have double conflicts. We have here an ascending trend line. Do ascending trend line, hit a descending trend line. It's technically a time of confluence and a win for Shadow FX Hub. There's another drop. I think it should be more than, most likely might be more than 300 big drop from here, from where the price is now. But on the flip side, when we look critically, we will see that when price returns, let's look at it again on the flip side. On the flip side, as much as you want to go for the kill, you also look so you don't become the hunted. Now we have here a clean floor. So in this clean floor, we have here resistance structure, demand, breaker from the support structure, retest, retest, a retest of the resistance structure before final breakouts, and we have here a retest, and final retest came here and immediately put price back from 2630 into 2688. So if price hold on to this price action, it might decide to say, okay, last time price came in, buyers got impulse to push price up to this level. The last time they returned to this level, their highest push was this level. So if buyers return here, there's also a possibility that they may want to return price to this level. So if buyers want to do that, then price might continue to push up. But if we are looking at it from price action perspective, we'll find that price has built a strong demand floor. That strong demand floor will open up the gate of sell. The gate of sell potential will only and can only be activated if price breaks out from the structure. The breakout from the structure further opens the gate for sell, where we see price of the yellow metal play in this form. To come down, we feel another imbalance where we have this becomes your new sell zone where you begin to look out for buy. At this level, you now begin to look out for buy at this level, depending on how price enters into the zone. We have a couple of strong fundamental analysis coming in today. Very strong fundamental analysis. We have expect average hourly earning by 230 and non-farm employment change and unemployment rate. These are three important USD fundamental analyses that stands a big chance to change the market direction. They could change the market direction. It could be upswing, a foundation to shoot price from here up, or it could be a foundation to break out from the support structure where price will make its way down. So let's look again from other flip side we have. Now, if that happens, that will be rest in peace for the yellow metal. So we're on 3 hours chart, and this is technically what we see. And we have another structure here, another ascending trend line that was officially broken yesterday, an official breakout. So on that official breakout, I expect price to come back and retest it, and price have done that. You can see here. So let's keep it simple. Let's keep it extremely simple. Let's keep it extremely simple. So we have here a double structure, a W structure. Here is a resistance, break after resistance, and retest. These are W. This is the neckline. Breakout of the neckline, price can be tested and have left. Price tested this neckline 3 times. Test 1, test 2, test 3, 4, 5, 6 before a breakout. Ladies and gentlemen, SAUUS is going for sell. It's going for sell. It is what it is. It is what it is. See the breakout from the neckline. We tested 3 times. Tested 3 times. Test 1, test 2, test 3, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before a breakout. And price come here now to retest it. And we also look again to try to find out other positions where market has look here from our roof. We have a clean breakout from our roof. The house. So gold is setting up for a heavy sell. So you can see what's going on here. Price is trying to come. Price might extend into 2,651 and ultimately drop. Ultimately drop. To be an ultimate drop from this structure. To be an ultimate drop. Although we've not had a sell confirmation, our sell confirmation will be a breakout from this structure where demand floor becomes a supply roof. So at the bottom here, we have here a demand. This is our demand floor. And at the top, we have it as our supply roof. The only way we sell from here is we have structure broken from the demand floor. A breakout from the demand floor, this is our demand floor. Look at it, price. I bought here. After a breakout from the resistance structure, it becomes a demand floor. Price bought trying to claim into a new high, but couldn't make it. Price return again and bought, and this is the final return into this region. And price have respected this region and bought in line. But we have one major resistance that we have an ascending trend line, also another demand floor by way of ascending trend line. This is an ascending trend line, ATL. So price by close of Asian section manipulated the market and it has to distribute. So the next thing you're going to see now is another market moving out. So this is an ATM ascending trend line, ETL, and also a demand floor. So you can see height has held price. When price broke out from this structure, a W structure, look at a W structure, a W structure. You see the W structure, a breakout from the neckline, retest and price shot up. Price returned back, making it an ascending trend line, point 1, point 2. And return again bought, return again bought, return again bought, return again bought, before breaking the structure and price returns now on retest to a broken ascending trend line. On technical, I believe that buyers may want to contest this behavior. They may want to push price up to 2,650, but believe it or not, it's an absolute sell. The market is going to sell off from there. But on the flip side, if we have strong fundamental analysis coming in, whatever brings price to this roof will set good up for a buy, invalidating sell idea. It is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. So there is a possibility that it could be flipped. There is a very big possibility that it could be flipped. Now we got our trade angle, very sweet and beautiful trade angle. We are believing on this price action. We're believing that its sentiment on those areas are going to hold price the way it should. So it's an M structure, it's a double top structure, a double top structure, break, and you see price came here to retest the neckline of this double structure. It all depends on how you look at it. If you trade market structure, you will see it the way we see it. It's a double top structure, a breakout. Price come here to retest the neckline of this double top structure. And if price returns here again to test this, that should be in the zone of 2,686. Or maybe price might just dip into the neckline of another double top. This is another double top. So price might come to also test the neckline of that double top while holding this descending trend line responsible. So we should be seeing price in the zone of 2,693.24. But on technical, this is a setup for sell. This setup is for sale. They will have strong fundamental analysis with a very high probability to invalidate every analysis you see today. These are strong three economic data. These data can continue to push gold up. When we look at what price have done, if gold managed to return to this level again, then it will be facing an upward pressure. You can see it, buy, 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 buy with a diminishing. Now the buy potential begin to diminish. As the buy potential continues to diminish, it could be an indication that there is lack of liquidity to attempt to create a new all-time high for the yellow metal. So that is why you have the breakout. You continue to have a diminishing buy until finally price broke out from the structure. After breaking up from the structure, price is heading to retest. So on technical, we know what it is. We know what time it is that this guy is going to get in here. The worst it can do is to try to push price into 2,652 that will ultimately drop. However, fundamental analysis coming up, a very strong fundamental analysis, very strong fundamental analysis, very strong fundamental analysis. And we cannot underplay it. We cannot underplay it. So it is something to be very careful with. Can underplay it. Cannot underplay it at the moment. There's no way we underplay it. So It's we cannot underplay the fundamental analysis we have today. Let's put it here. Let's see. We have a USD average hourly earning, USD non-farm employment change, and unemployment rate. They are all strong fundamental analysis. You must keep this in your mind. This alone can change every analysis we have here. The reason is market might react in a different way. Market might react negatively to fundamental, market might react positively. So you can never tell how the market may choose to react to a particular fundamental analysis. But based on the structure, based on the breakout from the ascending trend line, and the price have come back to retest the demand floor, I expect price to hit down, break the demand floor, and turn into a supply roof. We see price continue to sell down. Where I look at another strong, um, here is a very nice structure we have here. You can see it. We have a very nice structure here. So it opens up position to sell in the future. But let's see, you might go into a deeper correction. This is what we have, and I can tell you, based on structure, based on what we've seen over the years, this baby is going down. The baby is ultimately going down. Ultimately, it's going down. I can tell you, it's going down. London session will drop it. From dropping it, it will move into New York session, where we will have the final rest in peace for today. It's going to be a massive drop, believe it or not. The worst that can happen is price begin to retest 2006-15. 2006-13, 2006-15 could be the new demand floor where price will continue to consolidate, awaiting fundamental analysis. But for now, it's rest in peace for SAU USD. Shall be a first hope.